Honor X9c, a new chapter. In the winter of 2024, a young travel vlogger, Arjun, decided to embark on his biggest adventure yet, heading to Ladakh. He wanted to capture the mountains, lakes, and snowy valleys on his camera and live stream the entire journey, bringing his audience along for the ride. However, there was one problem. His old smartphones had never survived the cold on previous trips. They either cracked when dropped, or their batteries let him down. This time, he chose a new companion, Honor X9c. It wasn't just a phone, it was going to be his most reliable partner in his adventure. The cold night in Ladakh and Honor X9c's test Arjun's journey began. On the first day, as he was shooting a video near Pangong Lake, the cold winds forced him to shiver. The temperature had dropped to -degrees, but in his hand was Honor X9c. Its AMOLED display was working perfectly, even in the freezing conditions. As he took the phone out of his pocket, it slipped from his hands and fell onto the stones. Arjun's heart raced, because this was the same spot where his old phone had broken the previous year. But Honor X9c proved to be indestructible. He picked up the phone. There wasn't even a scratch. This phone was designed to survive drops from heights of up to 2 meters. 108 megapixel camera, ready to capture every moment. Arjun took some pictures during the golden hour near the lake. As soon as he looked at the photo gallery, he was astonished. The 108 megapixel camera had captured such clear images that even the tiniest details were visible. The sunlight glistened on the waves of the lake, and Honor X9c captured it perfectly with HDR support. He immediately posted these pictures on Instagram using the phone's 5G network. Within minutes, his followers started commenting, "Bro, what phone is this?" Battery test at high altitude. The next day, Arjun had to travel to Kardung La, one of the highest motorable passes in the world. At high altitudes, batteries tend to drain quickly, but he was confident that Honor X9c's 6,600 mAh battery and 66-watt fast charging wouldn't let him down. Along the way, he continuously shot videos, recorded vlogs, and had calls with his friends. 15 hours passed, but the battery still had 30% remaining. Live stream and Snapdragon 6 Gen 1's power. When Arjun reached the peak, he decided to do a live stream on his YouTube channel. However, at high altitudes, the network can slow down, and weak processing power often causes phones to lag. But once again, Honor X9c proved itself. Its Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4nm processor and 12GB RAM handled live streaming smoothly without any interruptions. The streaming was so seamless that people were amazed by the quality. Honor X9c, a true adventurer's companion. Through his journey, Arjun realized that choosing the right smartphone was just as important as choosing the right tracking gear. Honor X9c stood by him through every challenge. It survived a drop from 2 meters without any damage. Its AMOLED display performed excellently even in a snowstorm. The 108 megapixel camera captured every stunning view. The 6,600 mAh battery lasted throughout the trip, and the 66-watt fast charging got it charged up in no time. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 assisted with editing and streaming seamlessly. When Arjun returned from his adventure, he made one thing certain. His next adventure, Honor X9c, would be his only companion. Price in USD. The Honor X9c is available at a price of approximately $399 USD for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. Please note that prices may vary based on the region and ongoing offers.